Are you an avid Spotify user too? But do you know you can use these 3 features to get by your day? Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Spotify has these 3 features that'll help its users in different ways. Whether they're having difficulty in sleeping or they want something to relax with, we certainly can't leave out fitness when we're talking about well-being, and Spotify manages that too. Spotify's a great place to catch up on latest music releases and make your own playlist. There are some handy in-app tools you can use to help improve your well-being game. First is Sleep Noise Playlist. Most people don't know about white noise playlists. Spotify has this amazing collection with which one can easily fall asleep. This is a great place for people with insomnia. Apart from white noise, Spotify also has pink noise, which packs soft wind sounds that gives the feel of being in a city. And we can't forget green noise, which is obvious by the name, is full of nature sounds, from gentle running water to the rustling of leaves. The second feature would be lo-fi sounds. Ever wanted to be in a Ghibli movie? Well, this playlist is going to take you there. You put this on, close your eyes, and you'll feel relaxed. Lo-fi sounds aren't only for relaxing, but could be used as an amazing option for background music while sitting cozy in the corner while reading your favorite book. Lo-fi music has been a major part of college students, where they had to get through hours of studying and non-stop reading. The last are the workout playlists. Although most people prefer to make their own gym or run playlist, Spotify has its own workout hub. Whether you want to make your own playlist, you can still take your inspo from there. It gets updated every now and then with what's new in music. Not only this, but this hub has a different playlist for every workout vibe, from slow mobility sessions to high-intensity training. While everyone's using Spotify for just listening to music, you can use it to make yourself better, and we've already told you how. So, what do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.